one $500 payment a day. Nettie is in the house. Nettie is in the house. Nettie is in the house. Nettie, what is up? What is up? Nettie, can I bring you on camera, Nettie? I said, love your spirit. I just love your I love your oh, what's the word? Oh my God, I can't think of it. I love your enthusiasm. Yes. Oh my goodness gracious. Nettie, I'm telling folks that on social media, they can make themselves $10,000 a month easily with just using social media, with just using YouTube, just using Facebook. Folks, there is so much money. There is so much money that's out here to be made. Oh my God, girl, are you there?
I am here.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Girl, you are awesome, girl. You are awesome.
Thank you, Reverend Wilson.
Folks,
Thank
this
you.
is a young lady that is doing it. This is a young lady that's using social media, using video marketing. Nettie, tell them folks how easy it is to make money on social media.
Reverend Wilson, it is so easy. I mean, it's like it's magical in a way. It's like magic to wake up and to see money pop in your account, or to be
There,
sitting down, doing something with your family, oblivious to what's going on to the computer, and then pop up, you get a notification, money has popped in your account. It's very liberating. Very. You feel free.
you feel free.
Free. Yes. Free.
Woo!
And this is something, Reverend Wilson, that they don't tell us. They don't tell us this in school. This is not the model. What you're talking about here is really groundbreaking. It's earth shattering for those who will
Yes.
accept it.
Yes. For those, I talked to somebody, Nettie, the other day, and we sat down and we're trying to give him a strategy. He says, well, I don't have a lot of money to do any mailings, I don't have a lot of, cash flow. So I said, okay, no problem. Facebook don't cost nothing. Hello. A YouTube video don't cost you nothing. And he says, oh no, I can't do that. Well, you must don't want to make no money. Because Nettie, I found out it's all about how bad how bad do they want it? Not everybody want it. They say I want success, but then when you tell them what to do, oh, I can't do that. Oh, that don't work for me. I mean, what can you do?
All we can do, Reverend Wilson, is to keep beating the drum and to let people know that there is a better way that they haven't been taught about. Nobody's talking about this. We're at a time now. I mean, right in the palm of your hand, you got a money maker. Not just something
a money maker.
A money maker. Like James Brown said, shake your money maker. Shake your money maker.
Come on.
This is your money maker. I was trying to tell people the other day, you don't even have, like, you and I, we're not shy of the camera. Okay, some people are, but you don't even have to show your face. You can talk and do a video and not show your face, correct?
That's right. That's right. Come on. Just do it. Nike said, just do it.
We like in the gold miners time, back in the gold rush. Everybody has access to these phones, to our computers, and right now you can get on it for free and tell your story and make money. make money.
Yes.
Who doesn't want to?
Because people are out here searching. They're searching.
They're hurting. People are hurting.
Yes.
They don't have it. And they need to get on the free train. This Facebook, this is the free train and a ticket to ride to riches. Right here.
Come on. Nettie, my philosophy is, if it's free, I'm gonna use it. If it's free, come on. Nettie, here's the deal. Nettie, check this out. Even if a person used Facebook and didn't get no response, which is highly unlikely, but if they did, guess what? It didn't cost nothing. Just a little bit of time. It's free. If you put out a YouTube video and nothing happens, guess what? It didn't cost you nothing.
and look, Reverend Wilson, I know you know way better than I do, because I've seen your videos and the money that you pull out. I get sales off of YouTube. I get sales.
Yes.
Off a video I did one time. And it's still making money.
Yes. Beautiful. Just put it out there.
Just put it out. You know, for the ladies, do your hair, put your little earrings on, and say a few words.
Come on.
Say a few words about how the program is helping you, how you're excited about it. Give the details of it, and people listen and they buy.
Yes.
This is the TV. What we're on right now. This is the new TV. This is the ABC. This is the CBS. Yes. This is the NBC.
Come on.
This is OWN. You know, this is TBN. This is it. And you got it right in your hand. Why wouldn't you use it?
The Nettie Show.
Should Mark Zuckerberg get all the money?
Come on. And there's enough out here for all of us. All of us. You look down the street, there's a Walgreens right across the street from a CVS. There's a grocery store right across the street from another grocery store. There's a gas station right on one side of the street, and on the next side of the street, there's another gas station. And guess what? They're all making millions of dollars because there's enough money out here for everybody.
That's right. And we have to get out of that broke mindset. You know, I run into a lot of people. I'm sure you do. I don't have no money. Look around in your house. I'm sure there's a pawn shop or something. Take something you don't need anymore.
Get
on eBay for your future. And these businesses we're talking about, you can get into them for little or nothing. You can't get into a McDonald's franchise for $50, $100, $25, $200. Can you?
Come on.
You can't buy a Subway franchise for that. What we're talking about are franchises that you can get in, pay, one time, and be set.
$25. Somebody can get it. Now that you got a digital program that we do, $25. $25. Who don't have $25? Hello.
It's less than the cost of sitting down in the restaurant getting some pizza. And you telling me, you got $25. You just don't know how to multiply. You don't know how to multiply. $25 that I know you got somewhere and multiply. You don't know how to believe in yourself. What we're really talking about is belief in yourself.
Woo!
And a lot of our
y'all need to get with Nettie.
And I love all people. I don't care what religious persuasion they are. But let's just say, our Christian community. All right. And I'm a Christian. If you got faith without works is dead.
Yes. Put some work into that thing.
The creator of the universe and the stars and the sky and the oceans and the animals and you supposed to be living in lack? That's your destination. That's come on.
No, it ain't. I took a detour.
That's what you embracing, lack? Because you need some money so you can help somebody else. How you gonna help the people who need some help? Really need some, you need some money, honey. Money.
Yes. Come on, you need some money.
You need some money.
Don't pay the light bill and see what happens. You need money, folks.
You need
lots of
money. Lots of it. It should have abundantly.
And they can get lots of it.
Yes, they can.
Whew.
Yes, they can.
All right, Nettie. Let me get out of here before my phone died. Nettie, I love you, girl. I am so my computer crashed on me. I can't use my little software that you gave me, but I'm getting my computer this week, and I love that software. Oh man, I can't wait to use that thing.
Awesome, awesome.
Y'all get up there and hook up with Nettie also. Hook up with her. She can show you how to make some money. Friend her on Facebook. Get with her. All right, Nettie. I love you, girl.
All right. Bye-bye.
All right. Woo-wee. Man, I'm pumped. I'm pumped, folks. I am pumped. Folks, you can make $10K a month. I said minimum. You can make $10K a month minimum. We're going to be talking about all this week, starting tomorrow, every day. We're going to be doing some training. We're going to be showing you how you can put your business on autopilot and start making money even while you are sleeping. Even while you're sleeping.